Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer your Litecoin from Revolut to your Phantom wallet. It's a simple process that can save you time and fees, especially as crypto evolves. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and Phantom wallet set up on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. This ensures everything runs smoothly with the newest security features. Open your Revolut app and head to the Crypto tab. Here, you'll see your Litecoin balance. Tap on it to select the option to send or withdraw. Next, you'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open the Phantom app on your phone or computer. Go to your wallet dashboard and copy the Litecoin address. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like Litecoin's own blockchain, to prevent any transaction failures. Back in Revolut, paste this address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees. They can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation screen with details. Review it carefully before proceeding. After you approve, the transaction will be processed. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025, so grab a coffee and relax. Finally, hop back into your Phantom wallet and refresh the screen. You should see your Litecoin arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official site. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Litecoin from Revolut to Phantom wallet. This method keeps your assets secure and portable, which is crucial in the fast-paced crypto world of 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.